Since we are in Ghana month, let's make this super delicious, authentic Ghana palm nut soup recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, as I said, we're making authentic palm nut soup. Very easy to put together, and trust me, you're going to love the entire process. All you have to do is to trust the process, as I always say. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin, let's start by steaming our protein, and I'm going to be using goat meat for this recipe. I've really watched this goat meat very well, and I also go in with some cow skin and also some salted beef and pork. Kindly feel free to use any protein of your choice. Now, to seasoning our proteins, I'll go in with some chopped onions. Next, I'll go in with some tomato paste. This is just a little bit of tomatoes and water. This is the real tomato paste. That was just by the way. Now let's go in with some garlic, ginger and onion powder. And the garlic powder wasn't enough for me, so I'll go in with a little bit of it. You can also use the fresh one if that is what you want. Now let's go in with some meat seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. Kindly adjust everything to your taste. Let's go in with enough water. The proteins are really hard, so a lot of water is really going to do the job very well. Afterwards, I'll stir everything together very nicely. I'll cover and allow it to cook on high heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, we really want our proteins to really cook down very well. Alright, so we are back after extra 40 minutes, and this is how our proteins looks like. The aroma in here is everything. It smells really good, and it's almost done as well. Since the proteins are really hard, I really want it very soft, so let's cover it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes again, and it should be ready. We are back after extra 10 minutes, and this is how our proteins looks right now. At this point, the proteins are very soft right now, and that's just perfect. Now all that is left is for us to go in with our palm fruit juice. I pounded everything off camera because I just didn't want to make this video very long. Okay, I also used some turkey berries and a little bit of pepper to grind alongside with the palm fruit, so the palm fruit juice is already flavorful. Now, after going in with the palm fruit juice, I'll stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I'll go in with my carrots, a little bit of pepper as well because the pepper wasn't enough, and also one medium-sized onion to give the soup a very nice taste. And after about 30 minutes of cooking it, I'll remove all the vegetables and grind it very well. And at this point, don't forget as well to go in with some Prekese or some Eden fruit to give the palm nut soup a very nice taste of flavor. If you don't like it at all, you can also omit it. Now, while that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now after cooking the palm nut soup for about 30 to 40 minutes now, the soup is getting ready. As you can see, oil is beginning to settle so beautifully, and that's what we're looking for. Now let's remove all our vegetables from the soup, and we're going to grind or blend it until we reach the desired consistency that we're looking for. Afterwards, I'll pour everything to the soup again to cook alongside with it, and that's what is going to give our palm nut soup a very nice flavor. You just don't need to omit this process at all. It's very necessary. Alright, so now whilst that is going on, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, What are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also do give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, because it's very important. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so welcome back. Now it's time for us to go in with grinded vegetables. I grinded mine in a sanka. Kindly feel free to blend it if that is what you want. Okay, now let's stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I'll allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready. And at this point, you also need to taste for salt as well, because it's very important. Alright, so now if you love to go in with some okra or garden eggs, that's just fine. So in my case, I added in a little bit of okra and also some garden eggs. It is totally optional, as I said. If you don't like it, you just don't need to add it to the soup, alright? But since I'm going to be enjoying mine with some vegetable or kokonte, you can also enjoy yours with some rice ball, banku, yam, gari, eba, just name it. It goes well with everything. So definitely you're going to be needing some okra and some garden eggs to go alongside with it. It's very necessary. Okay, now after cooking the soup for about 40 minutes, this is how everything looks like. Very mouth-watering and perfect. All that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. As I said, I'm going to be enjoying my palm nut soup with some kokonte. Kindly feel free to enjoy your palm nut soup with any combo of your choice. Now let's serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.